Welcome to LinkJuices. In this video we will show you how you can create amazing business cards for free using Canva. Once you search for a business card in the search bar, you will find thousands of templates to choose from and start editing. You can choose the format, style, theme and even what color you wish to start with. You can also custom search. For this example I'm searching for a personal trainer business card. Once you find a card you like the look of, you can start to edit it with graphics, photos and more. Click on to the Elements tab to get started. With Elements you can even custom search exactly what you want, whether it be a photo, graphic or anything else. Here you can see I have replaced one person with another seamlessly, without any annoying backgrounds either. Some of these elements can be in the paid version only. If you have a social media account, not to worry, you can edit anything, so instead of a website, you can delete that and use the Instagram and Facebook icons and type in your social handles so people know how to find you. You can position anything anywhere within the business card. As you can see, I've been changing the colors of the background, elements and icons too. You can also change text color, font and even add effects to text. This can make it stand out more on your business card. Don't forget, most business cards can have a front and back side, and with an easy one-click I can select front or back to edit. The back of this business card I have included an offer to entice customers to get into contact, and it also uses up space on the rear. You can opt to just having your business card one-sided if you wish. If you even want to add yourself onto your business card, you can. Just click onto the Uploads tab underneath Elements and you can upload your own photos to add to your business card, for that extra personal touch. To download, all you need to do is click on the top right Share button, then click Download, select your preference of file type and then click Download, and it's that easy. Canva also have a business card printing service, to which you click on Share and instead of then clicking Download, you click on Print your design and select the business cards you prefer. Thanks for watching.